All right, so if you're a developer, you've probably heard of n8n. For years, right, it's been a go-to tool for workflow automation. But something's shifted. It's not just about connecting app A to app B anymore. We're talking about building and orchestrating really smart AI agents. So today, we're going to dig into how exactly n8n made this huge leap, from simple automation to what's basically full-blown AI orchestration. So think about the automations you've built. They're awesome, right? But they're also kind of like little soldiers. They just follow orders, step by step, down a predefined path. But what if they could actually think? Instead of just following a rule, what if a workflow could look at a problem, analyze it, make a judgment call, and then figure out the best thing to do all by itself? That's the massive leap we're diving into. And this just lays it all out perfectly. On the one hand, you've got your classic rule-based automation. It's linear, it's rigid, and look, it's amazing for those repetitive tasks we all want to get rid of. But then you've got AI orchestration. This is a whole different beast. It's dynamic, it's adaptive. We're not talking about following a script anymore. It's more like giving an AI agent a mission, a goal, and just letting it reason its way to the solution. It really is the difference between a checklist and a strategy. Okay, so how does n8n actually pull this off? Well, it all starts with understanding the anatomy of an AI agent. We can break it down into three core parts. Think of it as the brain, the hands, and the memory. Once you get how these three pieces work together, you've pretty much got the blueprint for building some seriously powerful AI systems. First up, let's talk about the brain. This is the large language model, the LLM, that's doing all the thinking. And the absolute key here is flexibility. See, n8n doesn't lock you into one model. It's totally model agnostic. You want to use OpenAI? Go for it. Anthropic? Google? Mistral? No problem. But honestly, the real game changer, especially for developers, is the support for local models through Llama. I mean, this gives you complete, total control over your data privacy, and it can slash your API costs. That's huge. All right, so you've got a brain, but a brain without hands can't really do anything, right? That's where the tools come in. In n8n, agents are tool-aware. That's a fancy way of saying they can look at a problem, figure out what tool they need, and then just use it. This is what transforms an agent from a simple think tank into like a digital employee that can actually get work done in your systems. It can search the web, it can run code, it can use any of n8n's thousands of integrations. And the final piece of the puzzle is memory. Think about it. Without memory, every single time you talk to the agent, it's like you're meeting for the first time. It has no idea what you just said. So to handle anything complex, any multi-step task, an agent needs context. And n8n gives you a whole range of options here, from a super simple memory for quick tests all the way up to production-ready databases like Postgres, Redis, or MongoDB. This is the secret sauce that lets you build those really smart, stateful agents that actually remember what's going on. Okay, so a single agent is powerful, for sure. But the real magic, the real next-level stuff, happens when you start building entire teams of agents. n8n lets you orchestrate these coordinated systems where you have multiple agents, each one a specialist in its own right, all collaborating to crack problems that would be way too big for any single agent to handle alone. The best way to think about this is like a manager leading a project team. So here, you've got your supervisor agent. It gets a big, complex task, something like, hey, write me a complete market analysis report. Now, instead of trying to do everything itself, it acts like a good manager and delegates. It says, okay, web agent, you're the expert at research, go get the data. Then it takes that data and says, all right, writing agent, turn this into a report. Finally, the supervisor gets the draft back, reviews it, and puts it all together. It's just so much more efficient, scalable, and super modular. So you might be wondering, how do you actually build this kind of hierarchy? And the answer is surprisingly simple. It all comes down to one really elegant node, the AI agent tool node. What this does is it lets a parent agent, that's our supervisor, treat other specialized agents as if they were just another tool in its toolbox. It's such a simple idea, but this one little abstraction is the key that unlocks the ability to build these incredibly complex, yet modular AI systems. And this really brings us to what I personally think is one of n8n's greatest strengths in this whole AI space. It's their unique and just incredibly flexible way of handling tools. Because at the end of the day, an agent is only as good as what it can do. Its effectiveness is all about the actions it can take. And with n8n, those actions are, well, they're pretty much limitless. Just look at the options you have. Of course, agents get pre-built tools right out of the box for things like web search with SERP API or calculations. They can even write and run their own JavaScript or Python code. And naturally, they can tap into any of n8n's hundreds and hundreds of app integrations. But here it is. This is the superpower. You can take any n8n workflow you've already built, no matter how complex, and package it up as a single, custom tool for your agent. So that 50-step process you have for onboarding a new client, yeah, that can become a single action the AI just triggers on command. That's a game changer. You know, this quote from Ollie Shears just hits the nail on the head. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude are great, but n8n is the thing that allows you to integrate AI into your work and your processes in a safe and controlled way. And that's exactly it, right? The big models are these incredible brains, these amazing reasoning engines. But n8n is the practical bridge. It's the orchestration layer that actually connects all that smarts to your real-world business processes. And it does it in a way that gives you the control and safety you absolutely need. So, look, building a cool demo is one thing. We've all done it. But taking that AI system and deploying it into a real, live production environment, that's a whole different ballgame. It needs to be reliable, it needs to scale, and this is where n8n's enterprise-grade features really start to shine, because they're what let you move these agents from just being fun experiments to being core parts of your business infrastructure. And n8n really gives you the whole toolkit you need for production. First, self-hosting. This means you can run it on your own infrastructure, which gives you complete control over your data, security, the whole 9 yards. Then there's the deep LangChain integration. This lets you build super complex logic, like RAG pipelines for Q&A over documents, without having to write a mountain of code from scratch. For reliability, you've got evals to actually test how well your agents are performing, and guardrails to make sure the inputs and outputs are safe and sane. And finally, and this is really cool, the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This lets you expose your n8n workflows as tools to other AI assistants outside of n8n, like the Claude desktop app. So you could literally be typing in your Claude app, and it securely triggers a complex business process running on your n8n server. It's an incredibly powerful concept. So what's the big picture here? Where is all of this heading? Well, we're definitely looking at a future where our workflows aren't just automated. They're going to be inherently intelligent. They'll be AI native. And from everything we've seen, n8n is positioning itself not just to be a player in that future, but to be one of the core platforms that you use to actually build it. And this really is the perfect way to sum it all up. n8n isn't just your old-school automation tool that's had a few AI features tacked on as an afterthought. No, it's been fundamentally designed to be this vendor-agnostic platform that bridges a critical gap. It connects that super reliable, predictable world of process automation with the dynamic, cognitive world of AI reasoning, and it brings them together in one single unified platform. Which brings us to one final big question, and this one's for you. We've established that literally any workflow in n8n, no matter how complicated, can be turned into a tool for an AI agent to use. Just think about that for a second. The possibilities are absolutely staggering. So I want you to think about your most complex, messy, multi-step business process, the one with all the exceptions and manual steps. Now imagine you could give an AI agent the power to run that entire thing with just a single, simple command. What would you empower your agents to build?